Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how to make a strong password for various apps or websites where you can register or sign up, and even for that matter laptop password or something like that, which is very strong for others to break down your password or you hack your password, and yet easy for you to remember the password. Four things you need to consider to have a strong password. First one is the length. See, the lengthy password is hard to break out or hard to hack or hard to guess, something like that. And complexity. Even though if you use a hard length password, something like 15 to 16 characters password, if you choose, like, it is a bit lengthy. And even though if it is easy, for example, if it is your name or the phone number or something like that, or your initial and name or name and initial, that is very easy to break down. But it should be something complexity, means unnatural, means not close to you, nothing like your birthday or your name or your father name or relatives name or spouse name, something like that. It should be different. I'll give you an example, and with an example I'll show you how you can create a password. First we'll checking this conditions or the things you must include to have a strong password. Uniqueness in the sense, as I said, you should use a bit of combination. Unlike very general phrases or words, you should use uniqueness. I will tell you with a phrase. And unpredictability, as I said, unpredictability in the sense nothing include like series of numbers or your date of birth or something like that. For example, I'll take a phrase for the easy remembrance. I'll make that phrase into a difficult password. For example, my salary. Okay, for this is, I'll just make it as hyphen and the arrow. See, now read this. My salary is, which is the arrow type of symbols indicating this is. And for $2,000, I'll say something like 2K. And again, the K is in uppercase letter. I'll use 2K, means 2000. It's like 2K you can use, or 2 million. For 2 million, you can use 2M, something like that. 2K. And dollars, I'll use dollar symbol and then S. See here, the exact phrase which is similar to this one with a different combination of uppercase and lowercase letters. See, you can read it as my salary is 2K dollars. The same thing. Even you, if you read this also, it is saying the same phrase, but it is in a password manner. So I'll count the characters here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 character length password, which is strong and at which is easy to remember, because you'll remember the phrase itself. My salary is $2,000. So this you can keep in your mind, and it is best practice not to use this password for each and every website. For example, if this has got breach in one website, it will compromise your password for all the other accounts in other social media or something, other banking websites or something like that. So yeah, the phrase is your choice. You can choose any phrase of your choice and make it difficult with the combination of these letters and the special characters and uppercase characters and the lowercase characters. See, yeah, I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.